Good morning, sir. From service, this is Mark speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, Mark. May I have a breakfast in here in my room?
Sure, sir. May I know your name and room number, please, sir?
Yes, my name is Nicolo from room 707.
Thank you, sir. For your breakfast, we have an American, continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one you do to prepare, sir?
Sounds good. May I have the Filipino breakfast?
Yes, sir. For Filipino breakfast, the available for today are beef tapa, longganisa, dinaing na bangus.
Okay, I want a beef tapa.
Sure, sir. How about for your beverage? Hot coffee, tea, or hot chocolate?
Hot coffee, please.
Okay, sir. Is that all? Sir, would you like to have a sliced fresh assorted fruit?
Yeah, sure. Sure, please.
From service, may I come in? Good morning, sir. This is your breakfast order. By the way, sir, I am Mark, your room service attendant for this morning. Would you like me to set up your table?
No, just put it in the trolley.
Do you want me to open the curtain to light up your room, sir?
No thanks.
There anything else I can do for you, sir?
Nothing, and if there is, I will call you again.
Alright, sir. May I present to you the bill? Please sign in.
Oh yes, please.
What time do you want me to come back to pick up your sold dishes? Okay, sir. I'll be back after an hour. Thank you and enjoy your breakfast.